yes you did. Hari namin sa Cebu.
Welcome back to another episode of A Day with Galaxy. Join me and my Galaxy devices as we head to Cebu. We're here now at NAIA Terminal and we're about to check in our baggage. And we also decided na rin to check in our hand carry bags kasi we wanted our trip to be as convenient as possible. Sino ba namang hindi, di ba? By the way, fun fact, ako po ay pure-blooded Bisaya, but I can only speak Bisaya gamay lang kasi. Taray naman ng gamay lang. Kay dili man ko nagdako sa Cebu. Oo, dili na nagdako. Ano daw? Anyway, since this is a connecting flight, we had to stop by Davao first because may issue kasi with our original flight, but thankfully everything worked out naman.
Yes, we are now here at Mactan. Mactan, di ba?
One thing na na-impress talaga ako sa Cebu is yung sobrang daming Grab na available kaya ang dali namin nakapag-book. And papunta nga kami ngayon sa Cebu Grand Hotel. By the way, work-related to ah. Mukha lang kami nagagala, pero may onting work pa rin naman yan.
Hi!
Ay, sa Galaxy AI yun.
And the David Galaxy.
Oo, the David Galaxy.
Sa wakas, natapos din yung event. And dito naman, naghihintay kami na masasakyan kasi pupunta kami ng ibang hotel para mag-dinner. And after nga ng dinner na yun is may pupuntahan din kami later. By the way, I'm currently using my Galaxy S26 Ultra. So even at night, everything still looks bright and detailed, di ba? Kahit mag-zoom pa nga ako, super clear pa rin. And now we're here at Top Cebu, located at Busay, Cebu City. Grabe, ang ganda pala talaga dito, lalo na paggabi. Ayan, great Samsung morning na ulit. Day 2 na sa Cebu and nag-breakfast nga muna bago mag-back to work. So, nag-visit nga ako ng mga selected malls dito sa Cebu. First nga yung SM City Cebu and yung SM Seaside Cebu. Ang ganda rin pala dito. Diba? Sobrang quick lang ng Cebu escapade natin. But what really made my trip faster and more seamless was my Samsung wallet. With Samsung Wallet kasi, you can save multiple cards, digital keys, memberships, and even your boarding passes all in one place. Kasi with just one swipe, your boarding pass is instantly accessible. Ang galing, di ba? And that's it! Kayo ba? Have you also tried this on your Samsung Galaxy device? I-share nyo naman sa comment section. And pipili nga ako ng best Galaxy story. So, this is Jean, and see you in the next one! Bye!